guys, today I'm gonna reveal a Labubu. When I was going to the market, my friends all have a Labubu. I'm the one who only has